Found a fax file from your fax machine or fax software and need to view it? This image format preserves received and sent fax documents. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with fax image files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated FAX file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. A FAX file is a raster image that represents a document received or sent by a fax machine or software. Users typically encounter these files when using digital fax services or the built-in fax capabilities of an operating system. The primary goal is to view or print the document as it would appear on paper. FAX files are typically TIFF, tagged image file format, images using CCITT Group 3 or Group 4 compression. This monochrome lossless compression was designed specifically for efficiently encoding black and white text and line art, minimizing file size for transmission over limited bandwidth telephone lines. Typically, FAX files can be opened with Windows Fax and Scan, created by Microsoft Corporation. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows offers simple viewing only, so extensive retouching must be done in a real image editor. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the FAX file and choose Open With. If Windows Fax and Scan is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If your FAX file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We're dealing with a highly specific FAX file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, opening in Image Viewers. Open FAX files in Windows Photo Viewer, Microsoft Office Document Imaging, or specialized fax viewers like Imagista or WinFax Pro. Most general image viewers handle TIFF-based fax files directly, while proprietary fax formats may require specific applications for proper display of document pages. Next, converting to PDF. Convert fax files to PDF for easier sharing and archival, using applications like Adobe Acrobat or free tools like FreeFax Converter. The PDF format preserves document fidelity while providing universal compatibility across devices and platforms, making fax archives more accessible for long-term reference. Finally, reading on modern devices. Use mobile apps like FaxFile or Android Fax to view fax files on smartphones and tablets. These applications handle various fax formats, displaying documents with appropriate scaling and rotation. Cloud-based fax services often provide web interfaces, enabling fax viewing from any internet-connected device. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.